Anybody that's a chemical engineer that truly loves chemical engineering should love electrochemical engineering. You have all of the chemistries and the reactions, you have all the mass transfer, the heat transfer, all of these issues come together. Everybody that's in electrochemistry did not come from an electrochemical background. It's always a mishmash of mechanical, chemical engineers, electrical engineers, and chemists as well. Chemical engineers might be good at heat transfer and diffusion and mass transfer. The chemists might be good at kinetics and reactions. The electrical engineers are good at power conversion. But there's really not a discipline that brings all of these things together. It's very difficult to get somebody to start thinking as an electrochemist how all these different processes, the diffusion, how concentration, how kinetics, how they add to the overall performance and voltage and capabilities. To bring somebody on board immediately that has these skill sets and pyramid of knowledge right from the very beginning is incredibly valuable. That person can come in and start contributing to these electrochemical processes immediately. The individual that can see the entire process through the eyes of all of these disciplines is a huge benefit. We can compete much as solar and wind have competed with fossil fuels. We have to make these systems very robust and very economical. And that can only be done with a really thorough understanding of all the underlying electrochemical processes. Every process where we're looking to decarbonize, whether it is energy storage, chemical generation, reduction of chemicals, even in the petroleum industry, cracking and refining, every single stage, all these solutions are electrochemical.